Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Classroom tutorial brought to you by the Academic Office of the Waterbury Public Schools. I'm Dr. Michelle Eckler, Supervisor of Secondary English Language Arts, and today I am going to take you through grading categories in Google Classroom. The topics we will cover today include where to find the grading categories, the purpose of the grading categories, and the settings for grading categories. Let's get started. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up grading in your classes. So you're going to start by going into your actual class, and you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the cog. The cog is going to bring up your class settings. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see the grading calculations. The easiest way to do this to make sure that you have grade categories you can attach assignments to is to change it to weighted by category. You also have a total points option, but since we're not using Google Classroom to provide students with actual grades, total points really doesn't make any sense. So you're going to do weighted by category. You're going to make sure here that show overall grade to students is turned off. That's a key piece here because we don't want the students looking at the Google Classroom grades as the grades that they're actually getting in PowerSchool. Now, the next step is to add your grading categories. I will tell you that these percentages are arbitrary. Since we are not actually using the grading in Google to be able to provide students with grades, these grades are completely arbitrary. What's not arbitrary, however, is the grading categories. These are important to having work pushed out to you appropriately. So you'll see here, this is a 6th grade sample. Study Sync work completion is one of the categories, and then a weekly Google writing that students are going to be asked to do is one of these. It wouldn't matter if I had these percentages at 50-50, at 25-30, really doesn't matter. What matters is that the grade categories are written exactly as they are here, because that allows the content to be pushed out to the classrooms appropriately. When you've set your grading categories, make sure you click Save. I didn't make any changes here, so there's no need for me to click Save. But here, let me make a change really quickly so that I can show you what happens when you click Save. And there you go. So now you have your grading categories set up in your Google Classroom.